Welcome to the world of smart manufacturing for electronics, where intelligent execution, AI-powered insights, and low-code agility converge to transform operations. Here on the shop floor, we see OpCenter Execution Electronics in action, orchestrating operations through the bill of process and the 5 M's: man, machine, material, method, and metrics. Every step, every task is digital, setting the stage for real-time control and long-term optimization. This box build cell is one of many across the plant, each working on complex assemblies with precision and traceability. Meanwhile, in the operations office, Manufacturing Intelligence Platform provides a plant-wide view of performance, not just what's happening, but where improvements are possible. Through AI, the system detects throughput fluctuations, missed targets, or process instability, and proposes realistic, data-driven goals. We asked the Copilot AI, "Where's performance drifting?" The AI responds with insights, targets, and recommended actions, all based on real historical data and proven patterns. But how do we bring these insights back to the people who need them most? The operators. Enter Mendix, Siemens' low-code platform. In just a short time, a powerful and on-screen app is built. It displays real-time throughput, compares actual versus target, shows stretch goals, and uses color indicators to guide action. As an example, operators can press a support button, record a short message, and send it directly to a mobile technician, who responds with an ETA. Another button lets them log a deviation, voice-to-text enabled, fast, traceable, efficient. Now, back on the shop floor, both systems run side by side. MES executes the work, Mendix guides performance. AI feeds intelligence into both. This is data-driven manufacturing in action, where execution meets intelligence and insight becomes impact. Ready to get started? Contact us today to start transforming your data into actionable decisions.